Alright guys, today we're back in another video. Today we're playing a game that's different. We're playing a game called Cats&Soup. There's different things that you can build. You start out with this little guy. And the subcategory is still hard to avoid burning. Chopping carrots is chopped down to bite size. Cutting cabbage is shred into small pieces. The blending juice is blend juice by buzzing. Putting corn is how does every kernel taste? Searchlight is in the function area. It says search for a hot air balloon full of gold. Okay. How did I just collect that all already? Here's where you can watch like videos and stuff, you know. There's also like, yeah. Like, start from the Kiki and, or at least that's what I think. The first one is called, and then the second one is called Meows Go to the Movies. And that's where cats go on Saturdays, the Meowvies. Cannot get these two down here. They unfortunately do not work because this thing is broken, but I can get another bland suit. So this is the chopping corn station. And let's take a picture. You can also go here and it'll ad break. Alright, we're back. Another ad break. Why are there so many ads? Alright guys, I'm back. I actually got two things. Sorry about that. But yeah, let's go fishing. Oh, there's another treasure. Alright guys, I'm back. Stop with the ads. Alright guys. I cannot upgrade the... This one could take some upgrades. Let's play this a little while. Also, I'm getting tired of this fish thing. I'll be back. I got some of the worst fish. Minnows. Like, what are those? They're probably 100. Like, out of all the fish I could get, I just happen to be always a minnow. And I wish I could get you! Only a few are broken. Sheesh, I'm just gonna end it here. So if you enjoyed it, please make sure to subscribe. After I claim you once. because I'm getting so tired of this. Anyway, if you enjoyed, please make sure to subscribe. It would really help me out. Only if this wasn't broken, I would have already finished that up there. Cabbage soup. Cabbage juice. Now I finished it. Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna end it here. Or we can see what we can get else. Yeah, leave a like subscribe for part 2. Because it's coming. To watch me just get more annoyed. From this tablet being broken. Anyway, goodbye. Let me collect this stuff. Let's see what I can do. Probably nothing. I cannot click on anything. I can't receive. Why can't I receive? I know why, because this thing needs to be thrown across the room. So does this phone, because it cannot stop turning off. And I'm gonna end it here before it does, so goodbye.